Welcome back, guys. We're gonna be walking around the lot showing you all the new rides. It's about that time. Let's do another lot walk. Again, guys, doing another lot walk up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Go to maplemotors.com. Look at all the new inventory week by week. We're always putting new stuff on. That way you know what we got. And we only do that on Mondays. You can see test drive videos of every individual ride that we get in. And we're pointing out the flaws. That's why we're doing the test drive videos. We just buy and sell cars here. So if there is an issue, you'll know about it before you get here. Also, 100 detailed pictures. Shipping, you see cars out there getting shipped right now. Financing is available on these. Let's get started. I'll tell you the year, the price, and we'll keep walking. Right up here in the corner, a 1968 Chevy Caprice. This one's priced at $25,900. And again, individual test drives on every single car. If you see any other pages posting anything about Maple Motors online, they don't exactly know what is available and is not. So I'll tell you in this video right here, right now. 65 Cutlass, $19,900. And of course, people walk in every single day and they're here buying cars. So if you do come in person, you will see a lot of stuff that is future posts. What about a 1970 Pontiac GTO sitting here? This one's $30,900. And of course, right next to that, I got a 1969 Pontiac GTO in green at $27,900. Just got listed today. This one's on hold, but hold doesn't mean sold until the guy pays the rest of the money for the car. That's at 1971 Plymouth Satellite, and of course we've got it priced $24,900. Right next to that, this one's new to the website as well. It's a 74 Plymouth Duster. May have seen it before. The guy bought it, did a few things to it. I think he did a wing, a shifter, $21,900. Got a whole row of cars there right in front of the office here. I'm going to walk up here to this El Camino and we'll run down the wall, and then we're going to jump over into the showroom and the Hot Wheels room. Of course, the black El Camino I listed last Monday, it was a 4-speed at $15,900. That's 1980s right there with a nice paint job. It is on hold, but again, hold doesn't mean sold until the cash is out. What about the 4-door Bel Air? A lot of people have been asking about 4-doors here lately. Usually a 2-door is a better selling car, but at the same time, you got a lot of people that are big 4-door fans, and I've been seeing a lot of them here lately. This one's priced $19,900. Right next to that, a 1962 Chevy Impala. I love the interior on this one, and we got it priced at $27,900. I wonder if it's unlocked. There we go. It's beautiful. Well, the leaves are starting to drop. Fall's on its way. It feels pretty good today. It's like high 70s. I can't complain. We did get a 1970 Nova last week, and we got it priced at $19,900. I'm actually surprised it's here. Next to that, in yellow, 1965 Plymouth Valiant, priced $13,900. Valiente. Right beside that, 1974 Plymouth Scamp. Got it priced $14,900. And I seen a lot of these at the show this weekend. We went up to Pigeon Forge Rod Run. It's up in Gatlinburg. Well, we were at Shades of the Past. Rod Run is this current week, so you could always drive up there and check out all the classic cars. They had a lot of patina trucks. This was a 1965 a C10 at 15.9. A lot of custom work done to it. Even got a big clear coat, preserving the rust look. Okay. So we're gonna jump over to Pops' Hot Wheels room, and then we're gonna show you the showroom. We've got a lot more cars out here in the middle and down the right side of the lot. Again, maplemotors.com is where you're gonna see all current inventory, financing, and shipping. And each and every car has descriptions on that website, so it'll tell you what's under the hood. I gotta have time to decode a lot of this stuff. I know I got one test drive done for this week. A lot of people are saying, why don't you pop all the hoods in this video here? Because I'm still decoding motors and checking everything for myself. Because I don't want to tell you something wrong in a video, guys. I try my best not to. All right, let's jump over to the showroom. I'll be right back. I can definitely see an increase in Hot Wheels. He put a lot of new stuff in here this week. And if you haven't seen this before, it's Pops' Hot Wheels room right next door to Maple Motors. This is a very small portion of his actual collection, but he brings them in here and prices them all week by week, adding new cars. There's a whole channel here on YouTube called Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel, and you can find that below in the description. His case is here, Cars 100 and over. Everything's labeled as such as car culture. He's got more cases over there to store them. The Red Line Club cars. And of course, you got all your movie cars. All right, guys. Let's jump on over to the showroom. Don't forget, when you get up here, that's for Pops. And he'll take you to the Hot Wheels room. Right now, I've only got 2 rides available in the showroom, and this is one of them, a 1967 Camaro dressed up Pro Street Supercharger. Beautiful up under the hood. Custom interior. And the big boy tires. Video is out, so you can see this one run down the road. Right up here in the front, another 1967 Camaro. This is a SSRS factory 350 car. 4-speed, got a 396 under the hood right now. Priced at $49.9. It does have hold on the windshield, but hold doesn't mean sold until it's paid for. Okay, let's head on back out to the lot. What about this 1964 Bel Air? Sitting on a very high dollar air ride system. Riddlers, disc brakes, white interior. I'm loving the blue paint job. Every detail's gone over in the walk around video, so definitely watch that. Priced at $24.9. Of course, we just got this one in. I'm going to be test driving it here in just a moment, going over all the details on this car. It looks like a weaker paint job, priced at $21.9. Does need some interior work. That's going to be a pretty good piece. That'll be the first one that I start on today, so be looking for the video. I'll put out all the details on this one. Right next to that, got a gasser set up. This one's a 1956 Chevrolet 409 4-speed, priced at $24.9. Old big body sitting here, big body Impala. We got it priced at $24.9 as well. It does have hold on the windshield. Again, unless it says sold, it doesn't mean sold. This one is a 1974 Chevy Impala.
Who sold it?
Check this out, a 1963 Ford Falcon. Started picking up a few more Fords here lately, which is a good thing. And this one's priced at $16.9. And guys, one thing that I do up here, if I don't talk about a car, that means it is currently not available or it will not be available. But this one here is, and it's a 1967 Ford Mustang priced at $15,900. Another new one to the website, a 68 Ford Mustang. She's a convertible priced at $23,900. In yellow, 65 convertible. Pretty nice Mustang here, $36,900. We pretty much got a drag car sitting here. It's a 1972 Nova priced at $25,900. Right now, currently runs on alcohol. It's super fast, full roll cage. She's ready to rock. Test drive video turned out pretty good. I think it would have been even better if I could have took it to the strip, but we don't do that here. I was very eager to open this one up. Right next to that, 1973 Corvette convertible. And of course, this one's priced at $24,900. I know, guys, I still got more cars. We still got more of the lot to walk. So I do got another one sitting here. This is a 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. It's got the 4-speed transmission, T-tops priced at $13,900. Also got a couple trucks right behind that. Let's go check them out. This is the new one that just came out, so video will be out today. I already got it done prior to leaving. Right there, we got a 1964 Chevy C10. This one's priced at $25,900 with the T-tops, the bed cover, pinstriping all the way around it. It looks great. I'm still surprised it's here. It's built motor, upgraded interior, nice comfortable seats, floor shifter, Pro Street all over it. Pretty sweet. And what about this? Got an LS powered motor. There's a 4-wheel drive setup, but the 4-wheel drive is currently unhooked. And we got it priced at $16,900. It does have hold on the windshield. This was an 86 model Chevrolet. The video turned out pretty good. It was actually a pretty smooth ride to be jacked way up in the air like that. Right here in front of the office, a 1991 Pontiac Firebird. This was priced at $10,900 with the T-tops. Right next to that, you got a 1986 Chevrolet Corvette priced at $69.50. Definitely most affordable car on the car lot right now. Every once in a while that does happen. There is details that you need to know about. I know the interior had some cracks in the seats. The headlight here had an issue where it needed to be fixed or it wasn't popping up. The other one was working, but everything is gone over. We try not to miss any of those details. Right next to that, a 99 Pontiac Trans Am. This one's priced at $14,900. And right next to that, a 98 model Pontiac Trans Am. This one's got the sticker kit all the way around it. Pace car, $12,900. All right, we're gonna walk the lot one more time. Just make sure we didn't miss anything. Go over a few details about the lot here. And I say that, look, missed one. Sitting dead center of the lot. It's our gate blocker. Of course, at $15,900, we've got this 1979 Chevrolet Corvette. This thing's got pretty nice interior. It's all been redone. And the video's out, so any details that you need to know about will be gone over. We had the old drag car sold. We sold it last week. And it's getting ready to be shipped out. And if you want to know a little bit of information about us, you can go to our website. Again, maplemotors.com. That is where financing and shipping and detailed pictures and all of our cars are updated every Monday. Only Monday, excluding holidays. There's a bio about us. We are a family-owned business. Only people that work here, they have to be family. And about 40 years of that. Still working on getting a biography about Pops and everybody. We stay so busy up here. I started working on some scenes and stuff about doing that, how Pops opened the lot a long time ago. He used to work at one of the big Ford dealerships in Nashville, got in Time magazine, and just ended up branching off and doing his own thing. And that's how Maple Motors began. There's a lot more to the story. I just think it would be cool to make a video about it and talk about all the people that work here and the family, how we do things. Even how we come about this building next door, which is awesome. That helped us out quite a bit. We had to have some kind of showroom for the show cars, because we get a lot of project cars, we get a lot of show cars. Sometimes you don't get to see all the show cars on the video here because I'm not able to video them. They'll sell a lot quicker than you think. I sell to pretty much everybody. A lot of people will walk in, you know, before I can even list a car and buy one up. You're able to walk in as well. And I have a lot of people asking about merchandise like t-shirts, because we give out tons and tons of t-shirts. But if you're not able to come up here in person and get one, I have means available online, and that helps us out quite a bit. So go check out the merchandise section on the website. Getting ready to do some hats too. A lot of requests for hats. Like this one here is not available, guys. Basically sold before I could list it type deal. And it's filling a hole there. All right, again, I do appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. I got a few test drives to get to today. I got some cars to work on to get ready for next week. We went out to Rod Run and bought almost 15 cars. Definitely gonna want to check that out. And even the Duster, somebody already showed up this morning. I do not even have a test drive video out on it. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.